I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while?
Now let's take a closer look at this wig cap. This is a 7x5 glueless lace unit. Now they call this a smart cap because it's supposed to be one size fits all. It also comes with a removable adjustable elastic band for a more comfortable fit. This unit will come with the lace pre-cut. The knots are bleached and they are very natural looking, and the hairline is semi pre-plucked. Now, personally, I prefer my hairlines to be plucked a little bit more, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Now, this is optional. I know plucking and hairlines is all about a preference thing. I'm just showing you guys what I did to customize this unit to my liking. I did go ahead and cut a little bit of the lace off because I felt it was a little bit more excess lace coming along the sideburns. So that's all I'm going to do for now, just because I know that the lace naturally sheds during normal wear and it will eventually be more plucked in the near future. So it's better to be under plucked than over plucked. But let's take a look at the cap. So they call this a smart cap, and it's really supposedly a one size fits all type of cap because it has a built-in stretchable elastic band. This is considered a 3D dome cap because of the way that the lace is anchored to contour your head. You can see that it's sitting really flush against my forehead. There is no lifting. So this will make for a perfect glueless unit. Now they do include these little glue tabs. It says bye knot. So basically what you'll do if you choose to use it is you'll take one and then fold it in half, one for each side. Next, you're going to remove the first side of the tape and attach it to the wig. The placement of the tape on the wig is really about preference. I moved mine closer down to the cap because I wanted to avoid my natural hairline. However, I think it's supposed to be more on the lace than the cap. Next, I decided to add some simple baby hairs to the side. This is nothing major. And since I am wearing this unit glueless, I am going to add my mousse towards the front because that does help the lace get more of a melted look. And I'm going to tie it down with the elastic band for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm just combing out these curls. As you guys saw, this unit came fully curled and they told me I did not have to curl it. So I'm testing to see if that is true. As you can see, it does look like it kept the curl. I did decide to go in and add a couple of layers in it because y'all already know how I do. And of course, I am going to go on top of the unit with my hot comb just to make sure the top is very flat and add some concealer to the parting space. Now it's time to take the elastic band off and see what it's looking like. I did dust some of my concealer powder along the hairline and I felt that the hairline still wasn't blending to my liking, to my complexion. So I did go in with some of my tinted mousse to get that to blend a lot nicer. Kind of fluffing the curls out and seeing what it looks like, and not bad. Add a little sheen to the top and she's ready. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the middle part. Not really mad at this. Kind of cute. Let me see what the side part is giving. I wonder if I could do like a flip over or something. I haven't done a flip over in a while and I forgot how easy and convenient this is. Done a flip over in a while. This is kind of cute and so effortless without having to make an actual part. I'm not really sure how the lace is blending. It's really hard for me to tell when I'm under the studio lights, but as you guys know, this unit is still glueless. I do have those little tabs on the side, which I didn't need, and I don't even think I put it on, right? Because I was just trying not to get it on my hair. But if you prefer to use the tabs, you could put them all around, knock yourself out. I personally don't really like stuff like this because it's kind of similar to like using glue. I don't really like to use sticky stuff around my edges, but to each his own. Now, the first thing I will tell you about this unit that I noticed is how soft the hair is. The hair is extremely soft, which was really surprising. So I want to give you guys a closer look to the highlights in this unit. The density of this unit is pretty nice density. It is 150% density, so it has a natural thickness to it. It's not too thin. Now, I haven't reviewed a unit by UNice in some years, so I'm not really sure about the quality. However, I will tell you that it's reasonably priced. This is a 24-inch unit. However, this unit starts at about $139 for 16 inches. And of course, the price increases as the length increases as well. I did forget to mention that this cap comes with a C shape, so it makes for a more comfortable fit and is perfect for those who wear eyewear. Here's a quick glimpse to let you guys see what the cap looks like from the back. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I am going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But before